This?
Yeah, what's up?
Y'all gonna find out how to make some of this later. Yo, this is literally just an ad for me advertising my next video. Cause I'm like, might as well. Yo, my fellow co-host. Yeah. Keith's not here.
Whoa, look at that. Those grill marks.
You flip it? Nah, just let it char. Cause the marinade's gonna make.
But what about West Coast?
West Coast is better. Sure. Yo, I can't believe I get to make this man who's built different on my YouTube channel. Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Please, I'm built similarly.
Nah, look at this man. The brother of the man built different. Please, just be a human being. A real human being. How was the food, Dennis?
It was gas.
Okay. Is that what Gen Z people say?
Yeah, I was like gonna say that. Is that what Gen Z?
Oh, let's lime something. You're not even gonna put salsa? Oh, one has chim.
No, I put both chips. Here. One is for you.
Food's good? You're gonna be on YouTube, big boy.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Extra
How's
legs,
that?
man.
How's everything?
Everything's delicious. Best taco I've ever had in my entire life.
I think that's a high order. I don't think so, man.
No, I would never lie. I would never lie.
This is my man, Dr. Omelchenko.
DJ for sure.
Yeah. No one will know unless you know us. Professional physical therapist. Can't even say that now because I'm freaking drunk. But how's the food, my mans?
Good, yeah, I like the steak.
Yeah.
I don't know what I eat before. Maybe it was chicken, maybe it was.
Oh, that was chicken, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It was a chicken al pastor. We try to do like a, you know, like with the pork. It's normally pork.
Yeah, that's
But like we just use it with chicken thighs because it's easy. Yo, Sonny, you want to be on a YouTube video? My man made some homemade meat, crazy stuff. Yo,
disrespecting Tim's culture right now.
Yo,
I
is
hope you caught
this?
that on camera.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, Connie is too busy. I'm gonna repeat myself just because it needs to be emphasized. Connie is too busy disrespecting Tim's culture.
disrespecting Tim's culture.
Yes.
All right, time to finally make the salsa verde, and boy, let me tell you how banging this was. I devoured mad tortilla chips and tacos with this salsa, and it's not even that hard to make. Oh yeah, she's helping, all right. My slave. That's why I put in the word. Yeah, that's fine. So we're gonna first slightly oil our tomatillos, jalapenos, and onions before we put them under the broiler to char a bit. I'll put the total amount of all the ingredients I used in the description below so you can adjust based on your own ratios. Whoops, forget about the garlic as well. Also, the slave bit was obviously a joke if it wasn't obvious enough. We want some nice brown char on the skin of the tomatillos, which will take some time, so keep an eye on it. Oh god, it squirted on me. Be careful of anything like that. Since my tray is pretty big, I'm going to take some of the charred vegetables out first into the blender and then stick it back into the oven to char up the rest. I didn't want to have anything completely burn, which is why I was vigilant in checking the tray to see which ones I can take out first. Once I have all my vegetables in the blender, don't forget about the tray juices as well. We can finally blend everything together, and as you can tell, my blender is at max capacity. I pulsed the blender as it can definitely explode with the liquids and pressure inside, so be careful. Once you blended it, now we just need to season with some salt and lime juice. This is the part that's going to be different depending on your preference, so you have to adjust based on your taste. I did use around 2 limes for 1.5 quarts of salsa. Give everything a good blend once again to incorporate everything, and then once it's to your liking, we can add in our final ingredient. So my blender was too small, so I had to blend in 2 separate batches with the cilantro in the end. The cilantro adds a fresh element to your salsa, so adjust it based on your preference because I know some people got that soap cilantro taste disorder. And that's how you make some salsa verde. Man, this was definitely a hit during my barbecue taco weekend that I hosted, so I hope you all give this a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at Weekend Cooks. Thanks for the support everyone.